Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, I have a Superdrug haul. Yes, so today's video is a Superdrug haul. Before we start with that, I will just apologise that there hasn't been a video in this last week or two. I've not been feeling well. If you keep up with my Instagram, I've been trying to keep everybody up to date on there. It's always good to follow me on there because I tend to put any updates and bits and bobs on there, so it's definitely worth the follow. I'll drop the link below, but it's just It's Me Ashley. It's Me Ashley K actually. So yes, today is a Superdrug haul. So I have a box of goodies to go through. Some of the stuff is from the after Christmas sales, and I actually placed an order on Christmas Eve, thinking, oh, I'll get in there early and I'll get the pics and stuff. And basically, I think it was New Year's Day now that I got an email from them to say that some of the things I ordered weren't in stock and that they were sending me a refund, which was a bit of a nuisance and over a week late. So they took my money, they took my order, and then a week later they were like, oh no, we haven't got that stuff, which wasn't the best, to be honest, but I did get some stuff. And then I did place another order in the new year, which has also come, just to top up on a couple of products. And a couple of those products were also not in stock, and I got another email a couple of days later to tell me that. And then they refunded me the money. There was some kind of mess up and they didn't even refund me enough. So, I mean, it took me quite a few back and forths with somebody on their messenger service to actually get the refund, the amount that I deserved. So it's not been a good start of the year for me in Superdrug, but I do love Superdrug. I'm not going to stop putting an order in. Hopefully this was just kind of that busy Christmas New Year period and things just got a little awry. Anyway, I'm blabbing on. Let me show you what I got. Okie dokie, so we'll start with the things from the sale order that I put in, and I'll show you those. Okay then, the first thing is actually slightly disappointing. Like I say, I've not got off to the great start with Superdrug this year, but it is what it is. So the first item was from Skinny Dip, and I picked myself up this celestial print water bottle, which I think is designed to keep cold drinks cold, hot drinks hot. In fact, it says it's 500ml reusable stainless steel bottle with insulating properties to keep hot drinks hot and cold drinks cold. Sustainability has never looked so good, but it's not dishwasher friendly. Anyway, this is mostly fine. It's still very usable. However, and I might have to put a closer up, the print at the top of the bottle looks a little bit blurred and cracked slightly. Like I say, the bottle there's actually no issue with. So yeah, ideally it would have been nice to have one that looks lovely the entire way around, but it is only mostly in this area here. The rest of it is printed fine. It's just that top bit. So when I drink, I'll hold it like that so nobody can see. Anyway, this one should have been £9.99 and I got it for £4.99. Now, Skinny Dip's a good brand. I think it's just unfortunate that obviously there was a printing error or something's happened with the design up here. I mean, I'm going to keep it and I'll use it because, like I say, it's still usable. It's a decent bottle. You know, it's got a screwy lid that feels quite tight and it's going to keep your drinks, you know, stop them from leaking out. Yeah, so it's really nice. I would have been happier had the pattern not have been, well, what it is. But yes, so that was the first thing that I picked up. Well, it wasn't the first thing that I picked up, but the items that I did pick up first and put in my basket didn't arrive. Okay, nextly, and I have picked these up before in Superdrug, I got a couple of the Jinju sheet mask sets. Now, I've had those before. I have actually tried one of them on a Face Mask Friday, so I'll link that as well if you want to check that out. So these were reduced to just £1 each pack, and in each pack you get 2 masks. So a fantastic value for money. Jinju is a good company and the masks are nice. So you get a cucumber and an avocado one. Now I bought these in mind with giving them away, really, because like I said, I've tried them and I wanted to offer the opportunity for somebody else too. While they were at such a good price, I will be doing giveaways again this year. So I thought, you know, a pack that could go in a giveaway, or in fairness, they'd make a nice present. So for £1, I picked up 2 and, you know, I think that's a really good price. Next thing that I picked up was a Lottie London nail polish remover pot. Now I love these little things. It's you just pop your finger in and you like move it around and it takes your nail polish off. It's like mess free, fuss free, so easy, and it's perfect for taking on holiday. I tend to like to paint my own nails for going on holiday, and sometimes I'll change them halfway through, so it's perfect just to, you know, throw that in your case. It doesn't weigh a lot. So this was down to £1 in the sale. Lottie London's a fab brand. I haven't tried their nail polish remover before. I actually really like the Boots one because I know it comes with one for your toes in the cap, so that's perfect. But this one for £1 I will happily try. Okay, and the last thing then that was on the sale haul part of this is these e.l.f. makeup removing cleansing cloths. I think, are they charcoal ones? I'm not sure. There was several on there and I went for these ones with aloe. So aloe is good for your skin. It's nice and soothing. So anyway, I just thought, I don't use face wipes crazy often, to be honest, because I like to do a proper skincare routine and I don't always think that these type of wipes actually do much for removing your makeup or, you know, proper cleaning your skin. But in a pinch, they're perfect. Like if I want to change my makeup round during the day, or if I'm just want to get the most of it off before I'm in the shower and then wash my face properly in the shower or something like that. I don't know. They're useful for like taking, again, on holiday, if you go to an airplane, want to take your makeup off or whatever. Face wipes are handy. So these are by e.l.f. e.l.f. is a great brand. They were down to £2.25 in the sale, so I thought I might as well try those. Like I said, don't use them crazy often, but for £2.25 I'm happy to pop them in my cupboard. I'm sorry if my voice still sounds a little crazy. Honestly, a couple of weeks ago there was nothing there at all. So yeah, I'm still not 100% better, but I'm doing so much better than I was. Okay, and the next one came in a little box. This shocked me. I didn't know that Superdrug owned little boxes. I mean, oh my goodness, the orders I have had in such big boxes for such small things. I mean, that little cleanser in that huge box before Christmas was just bizarre. So I haven't actually opened this one yet, so let's open this. This one should have had some simple eye makeup remover in, but they were sold out of that apparently. Like I said, they let me know a couple of days later. And like I said, I had some issues getting the money back from that, but I got the money back now, it's sorted. And yeah, I had to buy some Nivea eye makeup remover from Asda actually, because I couldn't get a hold of my simple one, which is my fave. Right, I need some scissors or something. I'm having an absolute nightmare trying to get into this box. I think this is like super glued shut. I cut along the sticker, but that's not helping at all. Do you know what? Yeah, I'm just pulling the sides out. Okie dokie then. So the idea of this order was just to top up on my favourites that I was running low on. So can you guess what brand they buy? I got some Revolution stuff. It's just stuff I put in these hauls so often, you're probably sick of seeing them. So firstly, I got the Conceal and Define foundation in the shade F4, which is the shade I'm using, which is perfect for my skin at the moment. I'm kind of running very low on this now, but by the end of the month, you know, it should last me possibly. I don't know what day we're on. Is it like the 97th of January? It certainly feels like it. So anyway, this cost £9. I absolutely love it. It usually lasts me 1 to 2 months, probably nearer the 2 months kind of mark. The one I got now, I got in either the beginning of December or end of November, and I've been using it like all the way through December and January, and there's still some in there. So like I say, I just really like this. I find it's perfect coverage, it's a good shade, it lasts really well. I've gone on about this so many times, I'm sorry if I'm boring you. The next thing then I'll show you, and again it's a similar vein, it is the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the super size, and I got that in a C4 because it complements the foundation really well. Now this costs £7, it's 3 times larger than just the regular little Conceal and Define Concealer, but it's not 3 times the price, it is only £7, which is a bargain, frankly. So yes, topped up on my fave makeup. Okay then, and the very last item is a freebie. Because I spent over £12 on Revolution, there was a free palette. Now I'm not sure if I'll keep this palette, this might go in a giveaway. I don't know if it's something I'll use. I think it's like a contoury palette. It's this Strong Soul, contour palette. So I'll open it up and show you, but like I say, I might put it in a giveaway because I don't know if it's something that I'm going to use. So in there you get 4 shades. You get a pale like highlighter, and then the 3 different kind of skin tone shades. So that might be really useful for somebody. I don't know if I'll get much use out of it myself, so I think I might keep that and pop it in a giveaway. But for free, I can't complain, can I? But like I say, I'm probably not going to use it, so it makes sense to give it to somebody who might actually enjoy it. So then guys, that was this month's Superdrug haul. Yeah, I picked up some good bargains. It was a bit, like I say, a bit of a disheartened Superdrug haul almost this month with, you know, not being able to get the sale items, and I got stuff in there that I picked up for my sister and I told her about, and then it was like a week later, oh, I'm sorry, I can't give you those. And then the issues getting the money back for the eye makeup remover that was no longer in stock as well just made me feel a bit like, eh. But it is sorted. I still adore Superdrug. I still picked up some lovely things, and I will be doing a haul next weekend actually, because it will be payday. So looking forward to payday. And yeah, there's a couple of things I'd like to pick up next month, so there will definitely be a Superdrug haul next month, and let's face it, probably every month, because I do genuinely love Superdrug. And like I say, those star buys every Wednesday, probably sick of me telling you about these, offer some fantastic savings on, you know, great products, so make sure you check out Superdrug every Wednesday. I think there's some great stuff on there in a minute, so make sure you check those out. And yes, if you like this video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe guys, because I've got so many videos coming up and different bits and bobs. I'd hate for you to miss out. And of course, it would be fab to have you here. Remember to drop me a comment if you want to know about any of the products, or just let me know if you've tried them, or just say hi. I'm always happy to chat to you guys in the comments. So until my next video, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to go get a cup of tea because I've not talked so much, I don't think, in a while since I've been ill, and I can feel my throat. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.